Good afternoon, sir. We are Group 4, consisting of Jeremy John Marcelo, Daryl Scott Paz, Hannah Gail Sulit, and Val Tan, presenting BPI versus Gregorio Rojas. To start it off, we will first present the facts.
So the summary and the facts of the case is first, the first event, Gregorio Rojas as the respondent, BPI as the petitioner. So the first event that happened was Gregorio Rojas as the seller sold vegetable oil worth 348,805.50 to Rodrigo and Marisa Kawili, third party, a married couple. So the spouses, Kawili spouses, used or issued a personal check to serve as payment to Gregorio Rojas, our respondent. But then, when Gregorio Rojas tried to encash the check that the Kawili spouses gave to our respondent, the check bounced. In return, the Kawili spouses promised Gregorio Rojas that they will issue another check from BPI.
So for the next fact, Gregorio Rojas, together with Rodrigo Kawili, went to BPI branch located at Mandaluyong, and they were attended by the branch manager, which was Elma Capistrano. They instructed the bank teller, Liga Sagun, to prepare a cashier's check number 14428 in the amount of 348,805 pesos and 50 cents. That is drawn against Marisa Kawili's account, who is the debtor to Gregorio Rojas. Rodrigo Kawili handed the cashier's check to Gregorio Rojas in front of Elma Capistrano, who will be the witness.
The next event that happened, April 1, 1993, Gregorio Rojas returned to the same branch at Mandaluyong to encash the cashier's check. However, the bank said that it was dishonored because that day, the Kawili's account was closed.
Rojas called his lawyer to ask for advice. He was then instructed to deposit the cashier's check in his personal account at City Trust, Ortigas Avenue, in which the check was dishonored for the fact that the account is already closed.
Gregorio Rojas filed a complaint with the regional trial court against the BPI for the sum of money he was supposed to receive. First issue that we have in this case is respondent is the holder in due course. Now, to further explain this, we have our law, which is the Negotiable Instruments, Section 52. What constitutes a holder in due course? So to explain what is a holder in due course, a holder in due course is a holder who has taken the instrument under the following conditions. First, that it is complete and regular upon its face. Second, that he became the holder of it before it was overdue, which we do know that Gregorio Rojas was the holder of it before it was due, and without notice that it had been previously dishonored, if such was the fact, that he took it in good faith and for value. Last, that at the time it was negotiated to him, he had no notice of any infirmity in the instrument or defect in the title of person negotiating it. Second to the last issue was BPI is accountable to the respondent for the amount of 348,805.50 centavos in the cashier's check.
So, for the ruling in the regional trial court, the judgment of the RTC is in favor of the plaintiff, who is Gregorio C. Rojas, and BPI, who is the defendant, is liable to pay the following: The cashier's check amounting to 348,805 pesos and 50 centavos with legal interest from April 1, 1993 till the amount it is paid up. Moral damages amounting of 50,000 pesos. Exemplary damages amounting to 50,000 pesos. Attorney's fees amounting to 25,000 pesos. And the cost of the suit. The third party, who is the spouses, Rodrigo and Marisa Kawili, are therefore ordered to reimburse the defendant, BPI, such amounts considered and paid Gregorio C. Rojas, including all the expenses during the case, meaning that the Kawili spouses are ordered to pay the cashier's check along with the costs of the suit. The court has its judgment and orders that full amount must be paid to the respondent by the petitioner, inclusive of moral damages and suit of cost. That is the ruling of the Court of Appeals.
Thank you.
So that is all of our presentation, and thank you for listening.